All right, so Sterling and I are here before the night before the Tough Trucking event. We got both of them on the trailers and loaded down. I got that new Explorer I just put together, and Sterling, we fired up his Jeep and put some power steering fluid in it. But then if you notice, there's an extra trucking trailer here. That'd be Carson's Ford Ranger. He went out and tested it this evening. She's a little after 9 right now, the night before the race. And what happened, Carson?
We tested and it went kapooey.
Yeah, I think.
Axle shaft does not like landing on the throttle. CV axle.
Yep, the CV axle came apart and is very grumpy with us right now. Somehow, miraculously, he was able to find a CV axle down on the flathead, so we're going to go ahead and throw it in there so we can race tomorrow, and we'll catch up with you guys then. Alright, so we made it here. We're about an hour before the race, and right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rigs at least. We got Carson's rig patched up last night. It's right there.
Carson found the keys to this one.
Yeah, they had lost the keys to that last night, but they found it. So, yeah, we'll get this race started here pretty quick. Looks like we got some pretty good number of dirt bike four-wheelers, and I haven't seen any side-by-sides show up. So we'll see how all that goes, but yeah, ought to be a good show.
Stay tuned for the carnage, the mayhem. Are we gonna use a roll bar or are we not?
All right, so we've got the 12 and under youth dirt bikes racing now. I believe they'll be making 2 full laps on their dirt bikes.
So looks like Jake My apologies, that was Walton coming around, I believe for his checkered flag. Yep, looks like it's checkered flag. Oh, my bad, it's his white flag. And then for his checkered flag. Come on guys, give them a round of applause. This is awesome. Let them hear you. Remember they got helmets and motors. Followed up by Dylan.
All right, so now we've got the 12 and under youth four-wheeler. Good race.
Way to go.
I believe this is 12 to 18 youth right here we are looking at.
Followed by James Russ. And Steve Hutchinson. We're gonna hit the tabletop. We have Tracy Hoover taking first place. Next we have the Kawasaki Nicholas Sparks, followed closely by James Rust on the Yamaha. Oh wait, maybe that was the SSR. Yep, it's on the SSR. We've got Landon coming around, finished off the tabletop. Number 517, and then we have 661 coming around for his checkered flag. Give these guys a big round of applause.
This would be the 12 to 18-year-old.
Alright, Ford Electronics.
Four-wheeler.
Kawasaki.
like he's alright though.
Coming around. Looks like Damon and Gracie there at the tabletop, and Damon taking the lead. Alright, followed by Gracie.
And this is the adult dirt bike class.
Done by Kyle West. First place, Kyle West coming in for second on 2 seconds, followed by number 13, North coming in for second place. Here is 6257062. Ooh, look at that squat. Arr. I don't think I like that machine at all. You? How much adrenaline you had going. I think they're also finding the mud back there.
Teddy's airbags blew up right here.
Oh, gas fell out.
Hey, your license plate's up there on the ground too.
Oh, I nailed her hard that time. see Kokomo is pushing me off the track right now.
Tires up in you.
We may have broke some tie rod in, some CV axle in.
Yeah, the CV axle's gone. Go way up, Joe. Oh yeah, tie rod snapped off clean. The tie rod end. Hey, wasn't there a window back here? Yeah, it's over there by the back side of the half.
Well, folks, it's been a heck of a race. I didn't win, but I had a heck of a good time. So they're gonna drag me out and throw me on the trailer. I just wanted to say thanks to everybody that put this event on. And big thanks to Kokomo and his friends and family. And it was a good event. We're gonna go take the radio the rest of the way out, and it looks like it needs a tie rod and a CD axle, and she'll be good to go again.
Hold on.
Great big thank you to everyone for coming out today. We really appreciate you. Make sure that you get a shout out to our sponsors. Utilize their services. Signing now, Kalispell, Bushy Hill, Green Printing, Hot Copper Printing, Pepsi of Kalispell, Despo Marine of Powersports, Western State, Black River Fire, and Excavator.
Kokomo and Sterling running backwards on the track.
I don't know.
So we'll see how she goes. Sterling's leaking something pretty good, but
Get him, Sterling, get him. Oh, look at that air.
good job, Sterling made the pass. can see, it still does the running thing.
The front end doesn't do the front ending thing.
The front end is broken in every way, shape, and form.
It's amazing how he broke it.
We did make it home. We wanted to give a big shout out to Kokomo, his family and friends for putting this event on. And we recommend everybody should go out there and try it. They have another event coming up in October, I believe.
Yep, Harvest Havoc, I believe it's called.
But it was good.
Bring your junk rigs, come jump them, have a lot of fun.
Bring your dirt bikes, come jump them, have a lot of fun.
ATVs, four-wheelers, freaking...
Bring some side-by-sides.
Side-by-sides.
Come on.
Side-by-sides, they're made to go like 747s and stuff, but nah.
But we had fun. We think you guys should come out and check it out. Anything else?
Nope, I think we got it covered. Come out, hit some jumps, let's do it. Like and subscribe. Maybe there'll be more trailer burnouts. It'll be amazing.
It should be amazing.
Love burnouts.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Woo!